Hello guys, welcome to Skillot. Today I'll show you how to underline text on text. So I'll show you. So if you want to add the underline, so you need to add the style tag on your CSS. If you write the internal CSS, then you need to style tag, or if you want to write the external CSS, then you can just directly write the selector. So now you can just write is on selector, then you can just type the take this decoration property and below will be underline. So now save, then edit the underline. If you want add the underline on paragraph text, then you can change the selector paragraph tag. So that's it. It's the pretty easy, and please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.